Okay, so Aldo tried explaining what we're doing this morning, or at least right now, but I don't know if that's going to make it to the video, so I'm gonna say it again. Like yesterday, Aldo apparently ordered some strapping, but today he needs to order some corner boards for like the corner and like molding on the windows. So that's where we are right now. We're at the mill, just getting that order placed, and then we're gonna head back to the cabin and get some work done. We've been blessed with really good weather this week, so it's going to be a really busy week with just a lot of things getting done.
Did you get it?
She said she can't do like a strong 1 inch for the corner boards, like a solid 1 inch.
Okay.
Because it'll be planed on 4 sides and it might not look like a strong, solid 1 inch. So we'll have to probably put like a strapping underneath and then make it a little tall. Kala, move!
Okay, so Aldo's walking around aimlessly, not sure where to start. I, on the other hand, know that I need to get all this painting done as soon as possible, so I'm gonna get started on that. Oh God. So we got our first piece of furniture, courtesy of Dawn. Okay, so we're gonna sit here and look at the lake. The trees will be gone, but that's the idea.
Yeah, I'm up here.
So Denny and Aldo are working on the eaves right now.
You can just put a nail to hold it.
Okay, so I finally got the patio door painted. It really took much longer than I expected. It feels like I've been painting all day, but while I've been doing this, Aldo and Denny have gotten quite a bit done in the front. I'm gonna show you. So they put the sticks up and down on this side of the wall and got started on this side of the wall. They've done half this wall, I guess. So right now Aldo and Denny just left to go pick up some of the corner boards. Right, Aldo and Denny left right now to go pick up the corner boards that we ordered. Now I'm kind of contemplating whether I should start on the door or just kind of wait for them to come back and see what they think. So I'm just gonna hang out for a bit. Carla, what you got there? Okay, so today is an exciting day. We are going to put our metal roof on. Aldo and Johnny are up there strategizing, planning. I don't know if you can see them. It's a perfect day to do a roof, I think. It's nice and warm. It's surprising that we've got such nice weather in November. We are also going to put down some insulation before we do the metal roof. So I think that's what they're going to work on first. Let's get started. I think what they're doing right now is creating like a box for the insulation to sit in.
3 inches there to be 3 1/4.
That goes over the.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
You escape the confinement.
Are you ready to go home? Okay, this way.
Okay, so we got one side of the roof all done. We have the other side to go. Tomorrow we're gonna work on that. But I think we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna call it a day for today. We're gonna call it a day for today. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's day 2 of working on the roof. So we finished all of the front side yesterday, and that was on one day, which was awesome. And today all we have left is the other side, which is the short end of the roof. It's probably going to be much quicker, but the only problem is because it's so high up from the ground, there's just a little bit of setup. Right now, Aldo and Johnny are putting up some staging behind me and getting ready to get started on the roof. Let's go. They're up pretty high right now. I want to say it's about 20-25 feet from the ground. Look at that. You got it. So light. Okay, so now that the guys are up there, they're doing their own thing, I think I am going to work on painting this door. And I think with this door, I will officially be done painting all of the outside. Okay, so they were halfway through putting the insulation up and then they ran out of tape. So now Aldo and John are out on the hunt for some tape. Any luck?
And some. Not much.
Was it at the store?
No.
Okay.
Had to borrow it.
Borrow?
Yeah.
Who did you borrow it from?
Andrew Gowdy. Yeah, did you ever meet Andrew?
No. Oh yeah, Andrew.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Andrew.
Looks good. One more piece, Aldo.
How much you got done?
It's going. Almost.
Almost there?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this week's video. This has been yet another very productive week. We got so much done this week. We got the metal roof all done. We also did some sticks on our paper on the Tyvek. So yes, it's been super productive and we're very happy. We'll see you next week when we work on the build again. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to thank Johnny for helping us with the metal roof, and also Andrew for letting us borrow. I guess we didn't really borrow it, we used it up. For giving us the tape, like the red tape that goes on the roof. What's it called? Tuck tape. So thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Johnny. Bye.